and today's tutorial is all about paraphrasing. So what is paraphrasing all about? We're going to talk about that later. So I know a lot of us are, sometimes we're struggling on creating our content, our articles, things like that. And so what we're doing is we go to Google and find some articles that we can use to put into our own blogs. But we cannot do that. We cannot just copy and paste and then use the same content that you find out there on the internet. So that's why I create this video, guys, to share with you the tools that I'm using on how you can rewrite, rephrase your articles so you can use it to your own blogs. So without further ado, let's jump into my computer to show you my screen, guys, so you know what I'm talking about. Now we're on my screen, guys, so let's see. What is paraphrasing? Paraphrasing is a tool that easily rewords or rewrites the original content to avoid plagiarism problems or issues. So I know we all need these tools, guys, a little bit, because unless you're writing your own article or you're writing your own blogs, that you're not copying other articles, so you don't need to do this. But if you are going to Google and then you find something that you want to use to your own blogs, you cannot use that as is. So we have to rewrite, we have to reword it, rephrase it, things like that. So it looks like a little bit different and unique when you upload it to your own blogs. Although the concept and the meaning of the subject matter must be retained, you may also use as few words as possible to explain the concepts or ideas used in the original text or source of content, right? And then you go to Google and you find some articles that you want to use to your own niche. Then you're gonna copy that, but you cannot copy and just paste it to your own blogs. That's why we're gonna do kind of paraphrasing. So there are tools that I want to share with you guys that's free that you can use to create your own blogs and articles, right? So the first tools that I want to show to you guys is this Quillbolt. Quillbolt is a free paraphrasing online tool. You can go to Google search, and then type quillbolt.com. So when you've typed that, so if you go there and you want to use your free account, it is limited. You only allows to paraphrase 400 characters at one go. You can use it for basic paraphrasing. That means that you cannot go there and paste the thousands or 500s of characters. No, you only limited to use 400 characters. But if you wanna add more characters, you have to finish this one and then go again and then add it and just copy and paste to Notepad, whatever. But you cannot go there just to copy and paste all the articles of just thousands of words, things like that, if you're using the free account. But this Quillbolt is free paraphrasing online tool. So let's go to quillbolt.com so that I can show you guys some examples that we're gonna use in this tutorial. Okay, so I'm gonna close this one first. So once you go to Quillbolt, you will see these two boxes here. So here on the left side, this is where you paste your article that you copied somewhere or online or Google. All right, there you have their standard. If you want the fluency, you can play with it. Your creative, formal. If you just want to shorten your paragraph, it's all up to you. But let's go to the fluency. All right. All right. So now let's go to Google and find some articles about, let's say about fitness or health. Okay. Health and fitness. Okay, and then you will find a lot of articles here that you can choose from. Okay, so let's say, do you know the difference between fitness and health? Okay, so let's click this one. So let's find some articles here. Found this article helpful. Okay, so let's use this article. Do you know the difference between fitness and health? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this one. All right, let's copy this one. Okay, let's say from here. All right, just copy that, and then you're going back to Quillbolt. Oh, where's the Quillbolt? You're going back to Quillbolt, and then you're going to paste here. So you see, this is the original content or text that you grab into that site or website that you want to use. So you want it to use this to put into your own blog, but like what I've told you, we cannot just copy and paste this one. So you see, what we're going to do is you're going to paraphrase, all right? You're going to click this one, paraphrase, and you see the magic. You see what's going to happen. Okay, let's paraphrase this, and there you go. So this is the original one. On your left is the original one, and on the right is the rewritable, means the paraphrased already. So do you understand? You see this one? Do you know the difference between fitness and health? So in this sentence, it changed to, do you understand the distinction between fitness and health? It's not, instead of the difference, they use the distinction. And instead of do you know, they use do you understand? Okay? So that's how they rephrase it. So it's not really that you use the same sentence and into this content, because you change everything, or if you can change it, it's all up to you. Now you see it is a red. Okay, you can click this one, understand the distinction, and you can also change this by clicking this one. So there are a lot of choices that you can use here. Understand the distinction, understand there is a difference, right? Realize the difference, recognize the difference, learn to differentiate, realize the difference, know how to differentiate, make a clear distinction. So it's up to you guys which one you want to use. So do you understand, or you can say, do you realize the difference? Do you recognize the difference? Do you learn to differentiate? Things like that. So it's all up to you. Okay, so let's say, do you realize the difference? And then, do you realize the difference between fitness and health? I'm just showing you guys how you can, even though they paraphrase it, you can still change the words that you want based on, once you click this one, and then it gives you a lot of words that you want to use. But make sure that it's really related and congruent to your topic, to your content, all right? So this is how you can use this Quillbolt as a free tool to rephrase, to rewrite the content that you want, that you copied online or on Google, to put onto your own blogs. So the next tool is Spinbolt. Spinbolt is a free online software also that will rewrite human readable content into better smart readable text. It also helps us to express your emotions clearly, enhances your writing skills if you're not a native speaker like me. Alright, so this really helps us also. You can go to Spinbolt. Okay, let's go to Spinbolt. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, let's go to your browser, and let's type Spinbolt. So now here on Spinbolt, guys, we're gonna paste the article that we use on Quillbolt. Okay, so all you have to do is just to go there and paste it, and you will see the same article that we use as an example on Quillbolt. So do you know the difference between fitness and health? And then once you've done with that, then you're going to verify yourself if you're a human or you're a robot. So I'm a human, and just check it like that. So once you've checked that here, and then you're gonna click the image containing an airplane. Okay, so let's see, airplane, 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 and then verify. Okay, so once you verified, then you can now ready to go. So click that go, and then you will see the original one. Text will rewrite to this. So this is the text that they rewrite. It's okay. So this is original, and this is the one that they just rewrite it. Okay, so do you know the contrast among wellness and well-being? You see the difference, guys? Do you know the contrast among wellness and well-being? While in this original text is, do you know the difference between fitness and health? They changed the word, they changed the phrase. But it's all up to you guys if you want to use this one or among, or you can use just, okay, say between wellness and well-being. And then there you go. So you can use this one, and then just take a look and read it, okay? So here you can just change this one for some, paraphrasing between among instead, and then just go with this one. Sometimes their grammar is not really accurate, so you're gonna make sure that you check of it. So this is another tool, guys, that you can use. Spinbolt, this is free, but they have pricing here. You can also click on that, and if you wanna, let's see, how much is it. Oh, you see that, guys? 1 month for $10, 6 months for 50, and 1 year for 75 with the 38% discount. And for the 6 month is 17% discount. We're not gonna discuss about this pricing, guys. You can just go there and take a look at it. And yeah. So after that, once you've done with this, compared to Squillbow, what I like with Squillbow is you can easily see the difference because the original text is here on the left side and the written text is on the right. So you can see the difference between the two. Not like on a Spinbot, as you see, it's kind of, you gotta go up there and then you're gonna go down here, or maybe because it's free version, so I don't know why it's like that. But for me, I like most of this Quillbow to to paraphrase or to rephrase my article that I want to use into my own blog. So this is the tools, guys, that I want to share with you guys. So there are a lot of tools, guys, that you can find on the internet. Just go there and do some research, but I hope this helps, guys, for you to create your own blog by doing this rephrasing and paraphrasing. So if you have any questions, guys, let me know down the comments. Just write your comment and question over there, and then I will respond to you as soon as possible. I know there are so many tools online that you can use to rephrase or paraphrase your content. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share my videos. And I do really appreciate your support, guys. So thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye.